Okay, so this is the control panel to my side-by-side Samsung fridge, and right now this display is locked. I cannot even change it from water to ice or anything. By pressing any of these, there's no access to anything. Before you can power freeze anything, but I don't know. I got home and this thing came on the display, so I'm gonna try something to see if it can reset my fridge. Okay, so I'm gonna try pressing fridge and freezer at the same time, see if it works. Okay. Okay, looks like it's not doing anything. So if anybody out there knows, please let me know so I can reset this. Okay, now I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna press the child lock button here.
I command you to leave. Fine, Phil, whatever. He left other things around here. You're gonna need it. Be gone forever. Don't let me catch you back on my side of the island.
And it is not working. Okay, so I'm gonna try to press the freezer and the fridge button again.
Who's that? I don't know. Oh, the doll look alike. Go look like little girl.
Okay, it's not working. So the best way to reset this is to unplug the outlet for about maybe 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, I plug it up to this back in, and now everything you can pretty much move everything now. So the control works and the display works, and that's pretty much it.